finally, like a little bit of ocean, far off in the distance. Yeah, but we see beach now. I was just trying to capture it, like from the very.
You guys look. Actually, Kendall, come out and take that cone over, okay?
Toasted hazelnut. Toasted hazelnut. Is that okay? Is it done? It's done. This is like really concentrated. That's probably enough.
More.
That color?
Maybe more.
That much?
Yeah.
Okay. It works. Ooh, that looks good. This one will be mine. Okay. Is it weird when I eat? I like to eat sometimes like all of the white first, and then I have the yolk at the very end. The yolk is perfectly runny.
How excited are you to go to the ETS concert? 10! 11! 12! 14, 15, 16, 17, 100. Oh yeah? 1 billion. 1 billion. Infinity. Infinity. But that would be still infinity. Yeah, but it would still be more than you. More than your infinity.
How was biking?
Oh, it's fun.
Yeah?
Yeah, especially on this part because we're so like, yeah.
I can have one, you can have one. And can you roll up your sleeves, please?
Mama! Can you help me rewrap it?
You using Kindle sharing?
Yeah. Because she doesn't want a burger. She doesn't want the whole burger.
There's a tomato! No, I don't want the tomato.
Look at Kendall's face every time she takes a bite of burger. Have you seen it? She makes that big face that she makes when she's a little kid. Cute.
Oh, one of these birds flew on my head.
Ah!
I was just like on my phone. So.
What'd you do?
I just did this and it came out.
You should have took
Look at the poo on there.
Yeah, he might have poop on his head.
I wouldn't have shit in my head, even if it did poop on my head.
I think you are Snow White.
Oh yeah. Oh.